hustle hard till I get mine. Stay true to myself. This shit is a gold mine. I know it's gonna pay me back. I'ma finna get the bag. Bag that is full of cash. Thing is, I don't have to rush. Thing like this take time. They always tell me that I'm gifted. I just have to take it easy. Niggas can't afford a killing, but the nigga undefeated. I work smart, I'm the realest. My homies know I'm the trillest. Stay up till the sun up. Nigga, I am writing raps. Waking it up, but the future bright. Waking the night, waiting for the sign to shine bright. If I get it right, gonna get a check, then I am up. Eating with my team, we go hit the club so we can turn up. After working for some hours.
One day at a time, kid. Yeah. One day at a time, boy. You can only take so much. Try and take it as it comes. You be understanding who you are. Stay true no matter what. You be understanding who you are. Stay true no matter
what. One step at a time, one day in a week, 1 week in a month. We can do it in a year time. Keep a picture on the air, pray to God on the way. Guidance on the plan. Naganja nuzobange, shortcuts no way. Try do it the long way. Long at the bed of my dog. Push up on the play. Hey, and the game. Push up on the play. Eventually it's coming to pay. 1 week a day. It was all a dream just a year ago. Now we on the scene, you can see we on. Fuck up disbelief, we gon' get it on. Lot of obstacles,
you be understanding who you are.